6:48 in the evening here in Como, Wisconsin. We decided to take a ride with Boogie driver the other day. There's our Palanging
Pooh Bear.
Pooh Bear at the back, and here Mama Jackie, and we are the Willis family. JD. Okay, well, we're going to take a ride, and we love to look around in the nature and what we can see. And stay tuned, and what we will see out there. So let's see here. Right?
Oh, that
We're
cow's
on the way.
having a baby.
And we are by Warren's. And look at the view. There's a lot of pine trees. And there's some farms. And the other side. Look at it. There's some kabayo.
Black Angus.
And there's some baka. What do you see out there, baby?
Vacas and caballos.
Kabayo, okay. Baka and kabayo. And then some mais, field, corn, mais,
Nice
rice
garden.
field, and then there's a nice garden. Good, look at that, beautiful. So, mais is corn. Look at their garden.
There's a bunny rabbit.
There's a rabbit though. Corn, and then there's more kabayo in there. See? Beautiful to take a ride, and we always do this every time.
Every time I feel bored.
And every time you
Every
feel
time
bored,
I feel bored
we take a ride out in the nature.
because of the COVID, we're stuck at the house a lot. This can get us out without having to wear masks around everything, and we can come out, look for the different animals,
Yes.
see a little something different.
Yeah, hopefully we can see different animals tonight. And look at the view. It's so relaxing. There's a lot, as you can see, there's a lot of corns because there's a lot of farming here. And we are well known with Wisconsin is well known with cranberries and for berries. Yeah, this town is Warren's is well known for the cranberry capital of the world. So
There's some cranberry beds coming up.
oh, it's right here. Let's see. Right, I'll show you. This is the cranberry beds. So that's what
So I can make some American lechon.
Maglitsyon na si Ja.
Yeah, make some American lechon.
Lechon!
Smoky.
Lechon na!
Uy, lami ang lechon daw.
Lechon!
Nawala yung lechon daw. Maglitsyon. Say paglitsyon mo.
And he loves it with his sweet baby rays.
Yeah, I love
Si Tebeways.
Yeah.
It's an old church. And there's a historic W. Barber. And coming up, this is a place where they held the Cranberry Fest every year.
Taste testing.
This all over this place.
They have blue moon.
This is a huge area. They have a lot of people in here every year. But hopefully this year,
Yes, and that place was you could test ice cream there, and
they're coming back.
last time I was there, I tried blue moon and cranberry. I like blue moon the most.
Oh yes, like ice cream.
It's been like
Okay.
1 or 2 years since I've been there, or something. 1 or 2
Here, this is the road that we always take.
One of them.
One of them,
Sometimes we take a different route.
but look at all those greens back in the background, trees.
Free trailer house. This is a
Someone taking a nice stroll on a country road.
this is
Walking si Manang.
yeah, no, it's a free trailer house.
So it's kind of one of our hobbies. So, here you can drive like 40, 55. He usually drive like 40, 45.
In our Trump Pence 2020. Trumpy!
Trump it down. So beautiful. The sky. Clear sky.
I'm driving a little bit slower so they're passing. Because we don't want to miss any deer if we see them.
And then there's another cornfield.
Cranberries.
And more cranberries in the side, in the left side. So they always have that water to water their cranberry. Look at the view with the sky. So beautiful. Side. Pine trees and wait to fall and so beautiful. The leaves so changing and they're so cool.
We're entering the next county.
We're entering the next county, which is the Jackson County. driving in this road during the afternoon. Well, it's already late. It's already 7 o'clock, but look how clear, and it's still how clear the sky is still.
But this is the best time to see animals moving. It's cooling down.
Hopefully we can see some deer.
Oh, that's a nice little house here. See?
Oh, look at that house. It's getting cool. Today the weather is so perfect. It's not that hot. It's not humid. It's just perfect. Very perfect, like me. Yeah, Dina.
Give her that, Jaden.
Oh, Pokey boy. Let's see who can
Jaden, you gotta give her the
see.
What?
Let's see who can find
Oh, that's
first deer.
that's what.
In the world.
Usually you guys find most deer.
Are you sure?
And you guys usually find the most deer in one of you.
One of us one.
Deer.
Oh, they have some soybeans in there.
Oh, that's where she went.
So we're here in another trail. They call it for ATV trail. And then Dad Dan is just driving so slow. What are you doing, Dad? Where are you looking?
Looking for sign. I like the trap coyotes in the fall. And
So you're looking a sign down in the road?
yep, so I slow down and look to see if there's coyote sign, which I've been seeing a lot of turkey sign here. Wild turkey. Lots of wild turkey been down the road.
And when is the season for hunting the turkey?
Sometimes we see a big old bear track.
Yes, in this.
Because this is many, many miles of nothing but wooded area.
This is the trail that we seen a big track of bear. So that's what we're doing. We're trying to checking out,
Got a big,
for tracks.
we got a big
animal
bear in the back
tracks.
seat.
And we got a big bear in the back
Our
seat.
Pooh Bear.
It's a Pooh Bear. Hello.
A lot of youngin'. Got a lot of young
Oh
turkeys.
yeah, let's have this bear.
And the baby bear.
I'm surprised we ain't seeing any coyotes. There's as many turkey tracks out here. Holy criminy.
And here's my baby bear.
Aww.
A baby.
See, it's all wooded in here.
I
Thick
named her
wood.
Winnie. I named her
Most
Winnie.
of this here is a private property.
Public.
Or public.
Yeah, this
Sorry,
is
it's a
public
public land.
That was private.
So you're allowed to hunt in here in hunting season or whatever season for trapping, turkey season, deer and bear season. So you're allowed to do your outdoor activities out in this place,
Hiking.
or hiking and riding an ATV if you have an ATV, but we don't have, so we're just riding in the car. So you can go hiking, and this is a good, peaceful and safe trail.
I had to sell my ATV so Jackie could have rice. All you Filipinos know that
Pag sure
you gotta have some rice.
iya dang gisold ang kuan buing. Pag sure.
I think on the other side up here is where I always see those deer in the brush. Usually on this path. It's a big black. That might be a bear over there. I've seen a big black. We have black bears here.
Yeah, I see something black.
It's right over there. There's black, way over. Can you kind of see it? It's like
Yes.
straight over that way.
Yeah,
There's
I see it.
There's
I
a
think
blue.
that's just a tree.
no, there's way over, almost to that tree line over there. There's
there's a
something
black
moving
bear.
over there, and it's real black.
So that might be a bear.
Yeah, black
I see it
bear.
right there. Right
Black bear.
there.
So this is a perfect view.
Yeah, I see it.
Because you can see all the way. It's like there's a ridge. And then look at that view there.
Don't tell me we ain't gonna see no deer in this field. They always in here eating.
So,
Well, that's the first time.
usually at this.
Something's on my nose. No. I didn't know.
Right there we can see the buck.
Pull it in a little bit. Get it way good.
That's a deer. It's a buck.
Yeah, he's gonna be at least a 16-incher, 16 wide, because he's ear to ear.
He's just watching us. Hi, dear.
Might keep on, and you might be able to see him when we come up forward. There you go.
He's still there. There, that's the
Yeah.
close-up. See that? Isn't that beautiful creature? That's
Yeah,
a
he'll
deer.
look
There's a
more-
lot of deer in here.
He'll look a lot better next 2 months when he
So-
walks out in front of me with my crossbow.
Yeah, we're allowed to hunt them because there's a lot of species here
A lot of
Oh.
deer here.
in Wisconsin or all over the states. So you're allowed to hunt them, and they're actually very yummy. Yummy steak. Here's another deer.
2 of them there.
There's 2 of them. And they're not even scared. Hi, dear. There you go. They're jumping. They can
Oh, one's scared.
see.
They're not. They're just getting
They're
off the road.
running. Still there.
Oh, that's a little buck. Look at it right there. He's a little buck.
Ooh, look at that. Close up. Hi. How are you, dear? So, when it's a buck, they have horns. Grow.
The other one must be
One,
either.
that's a 2-pointer so far. Showing
The
up
other one
later
must be
on.
either a nubbin buck or. And that's a porcupine there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's heading up the hill. See if I can get a closer view of it. It's right there. You can see it crawling up the hill. And they have many, many needles. If they switch you with it, you're going to be going to the doctor and getting lots and lots of needles pulled out of you.
Oh, Mom, on your window.
There's another set of deer.
2 deer.
Heading out to a cranberry bog.
Is that one back end or? No, I think that you should.
Gotta
Say
pan in. That's looks like 2 moms and 2 babies. Yeah, we just seen a mom and 2 babies just like that. They still got their spots. Pretty animals. Pretty animals and pretty tasty.
1, 5, 6.
Right in the middle's a buck.
Okay, there's a lot of them.
Look at this
Look,
one.
look at the big buck.
7, 8,
How many pointers is there?
9. There's 9 right there.
Oh, that's a big buck. He's still in velvet.
1, 2,
1,
I've
2.
counted 9.
Looks like an 8-pointer.
8 pointer.
The perfect 8.
I've counted 9.
And he 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a nice. He's a nice 8. That's a nice 8. Oh yeah.
There's some more.
There's quite a few in this cluster.
6, 7,
11, 12, 13.
10, 11, 12,
And there's
13.
there's 2 up in this corner, son.
Yeah, sign or yeah.
See, there's one way in that back corner.
I seen that one.
Yeah, and then there's 2 right here.
One back there. 1,
Yep.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
They can eat their grass on this side, and on the other side there's soybean, and they love to eat the soybean leaves. Later in the fall, when the soybean dry up, they love to eat their soybean.
And none of them are scared by us because they're too
Nope,
busy
they're not
eating.
scared at this time.
They're too busy eating.
But once bow season starts up, September,